Right again, guys. So today I've got my daughter's little Axial SCX24 on the table. We've been picking up various little bits and bobs for it here and there, you know, like skid plates, servo mounts, front steering arm, inner fenders, all kinds of little bits and bats and bobs. But she wants to go out and play with it now. She's just playing out with her friends. She did want to actually help me do this video, but the friends knocked on. So I thought, rather than doing any major stuff, because she wants to go and play with it like soon, so I thought I'd add these little brass hubs. They're just Chinesium brass. They're not Trio or Vitavon or anything spectacular, or they're just Chinesium brass hubs. Not sure what the weight difference is going to be. They say they're 5 gram all round, so that's like 1.25 gram a corner, which is not a lot, but it could be quite noticeable. Now, the wheels on these things are tiny, and the nuts, they're held on with a little 4mm nut. Yep, just a 4mm. Now, I'm not used to working on such tiny little trucks like this, but there you can see the original hub. So there's my brush. We had it at the beach not long ago, so we really do need to strip this and any other truck that I've had at the beach and get any of that loose salty sand out of there, because it's not going to be good in the long run. These are tiny. Just pop that there. So before we go any further at replacing these, let's just have a little weight comparison. Wow, 0.13 gram. There's 0.85. So we're at the top end of a gram there. So with the pins, that must make it like a total average of the 5 gram. I'm just going to leave the original pins in there. There's no need to swap them out. So we'll probably end up keeping the ones that come in the little Chinesium pack, and just keep those as spares. So I'll just go ahead now and whip the rest of them wheel hubs off, and we'll just weigh them all combined. But like I say, the weight difference isn't going to be significant, but it should be slightly noticeable. And this little deadbolt, it is prone for rolling, so that extra teeny little bit of weight up in the corners should help. Bear in mind, we do have a couple of videos to come in the future where we have that again. It's just going to add more weight on the front and a solid servo mount. So that's all the hubs off. Now, I did say I were going to keep the original pins, which are these ones here. Now, if you look there, the top pin is the pin that came with the brass ones, so they are slightly longer than the original ones, so I will be swapping those out. But you can see the groove here in the brass is much wider compared to the ones in the plastic. So we'll weigh them off, minus the few grains of sand. The complete set of original Axial wheel hubs, they are less than one hub, which we will be replacing one of the brass ones. So 0.78 gram for the complete set of the plastic original ones. Now for the brass. So 3.73 gram for the complete set of brass. They're listed as an average of 5 gram, so in typical Chinese fashion. So now we'll replace those where need to be in all the corners, put the wheels back on, and she should be good to go for now, and we can get a little test. I'm not going to say we're going to notice any different, but as time progresses, this little truck should yeah, flourish. These just come the same way as they come off, literally like any other RC vehicle. Drop your pin in, drop the hex over the pin, and bolt your wheel back up. So tiny! Bit fiddly. So there's the brass hubs. In my personal opinion, I don't really like the look of brass, that like goldy bronzy colour. But they're hidden, they're out of the way. Like I say, a complete set of 4 original hubs. They weigh less than just a single hub for this in brass. So bolt them wheels back up and then she can go take it for a little spins. So there it is, still the same deadbolt. She has decided to have like a cage and her helmet painted pink and stuff, so I did that for her. But you can't notice the little hubs, and from just like holding it up, there is a noticeable difference on its roll and like the angle it can get. So although small, but slightly significant. So yeah, that's a cool little upgrade. So now it's like go and play with it, I guess. Put a little bit of a running video on the end of this. So our kids are just up at the stables mucking out the horses, and I brought the SCX24 deadbolt, and I found a nice little location here in the woods. Just a nice little spot, a few little rocks, nothing too heavy or anything, but hopefully something what can give me an idea and give me a noticeable difference on the brass X hubs. It's only a minor change. Probably one of many changes to come, so let's see how it goes. So I can hear my little ones. Looks like they've fed the horses and stuff. Ah, there she is, the driver. I don't have to do this on my own now. Have you come to drive your truck then? And you can test it out. Woo! Come on then, I thought I could hear you. Just in time. Yeah, we're going to do it on down here, a little bit down here, look. Nice and slow. Hey! Oh, awesome.
I might have to go up there with it. Hold on.
wasn't much noticeable difference, however, it seemed to climb pretty well, considering. And I don't know, it seems to hold itself a bit better on rocks. Tried a few little steep bits and it still does its roly-poly, but we can work on that when we look at upgrading wheels and stuff like that and putting weights. We're not going to overhaul it with brass, because we don't want too much. We just want a little weight in the corners and here and there, balance it out nicely. But yeah man, the little SCX24s are fun. So I'll have to get a few more batteries on order and then we can come out and have a right good run with it. So do you like a little truck?
Yeah.
Yeah, awesome little trucks. Do you think Daddy should get one as well? Yeah. Do you think I should get a Jeep and then we got one each? Yeah. Yeah. Oh well, best get me send little 124 Jeep on order, I guess.
Look at it for now.
Anyway, a little bit of fun. It's only a minor upgrade, but we still hope you enjoyed the video. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that subscribe.
Hit the channel and
the notification bell.
And go on. We'll send this truck and we'll go. You go on pictures and see this truck. Bye.
Bless her. Yeah, so don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, bing the notification bell, and we shall catch you in the next video.